Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. I hope you're all doing well. I'm so sorry I missed you last month, but it was the start of a school year to beat all starts of school years. And we're a little bit more settled in right now. And so I am here to show you the Heartfelt Creation Home on the Farm collection close up. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. I really love it. I always love when they come out with their fall colors. Fall is just such a season, you know. For me, living in New England, the colors here are just perfect for the season. And I love the images, especially with my new chickens. This is just right up my alley. And I'm so glad that some of the images and some of the smaller cards are also coming with horses. I always love to see horses. So these are the different sized cards. And just think about what you could do with these nice little strips of the chickens and the fences and the sunflowers. And this is a beautiful set of tones in the light browns and tans and a touch of orange. And look at that. Look at that guy sitting on the fence with those beautiful hollyhock flowers running up the side of the fence. And just gorgeous the way this fades off as if it was a bush, and all of the detail as usual with script and everything running throughout. And the animals in this one are really just great. I love the little black and white doggy. Somebody should leave a comment. What kind of a dog is that? I forget my dog names all of a sudden. Cute little barn, and yes, stamps and dies to go with these cows. I mean, this is just great if you own a farm or you like to homestead, or you want to put together some warm, welcoming Thanksgiving cards and stuff. I think Thanksgiving cards are going to be important this year, don't you? So you can cut all these out and make different cards, oranges and browns and tans and very light pinks and yellows, little tags that you can stamp whatever you want in. So don't you think they did a really nice job with the animals? I love the dog. And on this side, sunflowers, perfect. Like some nice barnyard board background with these popping sunflowers on the top and the bottom. That's a beautiful layout card. And some more of the smaller tags. This is a lovely scene over here in the corner with this fancy tag. It actually has the lovely colored trees, the horses, the little dog, one of the chicken sets, some flowers and the fence. I mean, these are just so sweet, especially, like I said, living in New England. This is perfect. This is absolutely beautiful. And then a little more of a greenish tone with a little pot of sunflowers and that dog, just perfect, sitting there black and white, standing out in the corner, the little white flowers running along the grass. Just gorgeous. And again, some distressed looks and stuff. Perfect. And this, look at this, isn't that a lovely scene? Oh, if you could just have yourself a little cup of hot cocoa and sit there and watch all the animals. This is making me, I have to go, it's a rainy day, but I have to go out and see my chickens after this, for sure. And maybe some of you come and didn't really see my spring gardening update, and that I got chickens this year. But they're doing well, and we're getting eggs. Oh my gosh, we're getting eggs. And look aren't the horses lovely? Just beautiful. I love the colors that they chose with the black mane. A nice stripe, flannel look. I'm forgetting exactly, but I do like the colors with just a tad of burgundy, the greens, a pop of the yellow, the light greens. Very nice plaid. Here's a layout scene like the one we just saw, and now we've added in, look at this, the goats and the baby goat playing. We're thinking of getting goats too. And I think we got a little sheep jumping over the fence here, some cows in the background. Just beautiful. I mean, especially if you're into farming or you know somebody who's into farming, or even if you're making, I would say, like if you want to make little children's cards and things like that. with a lovely little bit of color in the sky and the clouds leading up to the blue. On the other side, a very pale yellow with some of the polka dots and script running throughout. Scroll work, just beautiful. Make your boxes, make your cards, make your tags. And it's such a good time to be making some lovely little handmade things to prepare for the holidays. Everybody's very stressed out. This is a great way for you to de-stress, get your mind off your problems, create something beautiful for people. Here's all your sunflowers with the board background, and instead of script, this is actually type lettering. Here's your cutout pages, so you can use the dies to cut out the doggies or the chickens or the little kitty on their back and the kitty sitting up. There's mouses and mices and all kinds of cute little animals in here. This is really nice. I love this set. This is perfect. Perfect for the season, perfect for the mood, perfect for people who want to sit down and play with the colors of the fall. Look at this little hay or straw stacks and bundles, and I could just picture doing a couple of those on some pop-up paper and putting a chicken on top of that. And a lovely diamond pattern. I'm forgetting all my pattern names today. I have no idea why, but I did just teach classes for about 7 hours, 6 hours. And I have to get back to the computer again, but I had to stop and do this. And look, all the goats and the horses and the cows and the hollyhocks and the flowers, the sunflowers, the milk jugs. All of these are all set, so if you just get the paper and the die, you can pop them out and make a whole bunch of cards. I really like the horses. I think they did a great job. This is like a lovely October color, isn't it? It's got yellows and oranges and maybe just a touch of some red to make it happen, with a gorgeous pattern running throughout. Here are your 6x6s and your smaller cards. Plenty of card making. It has a slight tinge of orange to it, but it's definitely a red that is toning towards the burgundies and the not a pink version, but more of a warm version of this red. And again, some lovely design, great for backgrounds. Here's your 6x6s of your larger cards, or your larger layouts. A nice plain background. Start fresh, stamp away, stick things on there, put it in the back of something that you're going to frame. Some lovely background 6x6s heading into the line, but of course there's dark evergreen colors in here and stuff as well. With Heartfelt, they never do just a flat color, and depending on where you turn it to with the light, it changes. And here are our tags, our traditional Heartfelt Creation shapes with all the little animals and adorable creatures. Oh, I was just thinking I need to put one of those little mice underneath the rooster sitting on his stack of hay or straw. And this is a very warm, yellowish, brownish, reminds me of an old farmhouse wallpaper. It really brings some thoughts to mind of walking into a house with the creaky floors and everything else. Okay, now, stamps and dies. First, we have the Barnyard Accents. There's the Barnyard Accents stamps. And that comes with the sunflowers and the hollyhocks and the fence and the gate. And here are your sizes. Having a little trouble with, there we go, now you can see them. And of course there's a die to go with that, so stamp them, color them, and cut them. Yeah. And then we have Home on the Farm. And Home on the Farm has the little mice, the kitties, the doggy, the straw, the milk, the barn. Packs in a lot. And there's your sizes on that. And to go with it, the die, Home on the Farm. You put the stamps up on the front because you can see a little bit better what your finished images look like. And then the Happy Meadows. I love it. There's the horses and the cows and the goats, the little leaping sheep, and 3 versions, well, 2 hens and 1 rooster. Let me be particular because I'm a chicken owner now. And the dies to go with it. What a fun, gorgeous, perfect for fall and holiday collection. Makes me want to sit down and play and stop working all the time, I'll tell you that. All right, everybody. I'm sorry I missed last month. Yeah, like I said, it was a real rough one. Please leave a comment and say hi. How you doing? Everybody's been locked in for so long in so many places, and people are working remotely from home like myself. If you take the time to watch a video, leave a little comment and chat with the people who are in the chat section and say hi to me. Miss you all. Wish I could get more videos up. Hoping always in the future that I'll have more time. Till next time, everybody, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.